In this video, you'll learn how to permanently delete your YouTube channel, and for that, you will not use the YouTube application. If you have the YouTube Studio app installed on your phone, I recommend that you uninstall it. Later, you will understand why this is important. I am going to uninstall the YouTube Studio app. Open your browser on your smartphone to access the YouTube website, but before we access YouTube, you will click on the three little dots up here and select this option, desktop version, desktop site, and check this option. Now you are going to type the YouTube website up here, youtube.com.br, and press enter. After accessing the YouTube website with the same desktop look, you'll click on your channel up here in the top right corner and check if you're logged in with the email account and the channel you want to delete. If you want to change the channel, just click here to switch accounts. After selecting the channel you want to delete, you'll click here on YouTube Studio. That's why it's important to delete the YouTube Studio app, because if you have the app installed on your smartphone, you'll be redirected to the application. After accessing the settings of your channel, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on this settings gear. On the left-hand menu, click on the channel option, then access the advanced settings here on this tab. Take away the zoom from the screen so that you can scroll through the available options. Right after that, you're going to come down and click on the option to remove YouTube content. You must confirm your identity in order to proceed. Now you will have two options: the option to remove your content from YouTube or permanently delete your channel. You should opt for the second option. Simply click here, inspect the checkboxes below, and then click on the Delete My Content button to proceed. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with more tech tips and tutorials that will help you in your day-to-day life.